Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Squarespace tutorial step by step.
Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to get help with Squarespace when you need it. Whether you're struggling with design choices, puzzled by a technical glitch, or just feeling lost in the settings, I'll show you how to reach Squarespace's support team quickly and confidently. By the end of this video, you'll know the fastest way to connect with their help center and get answers to any website issue you run into. Alright, let's dive straight into the steps. No extra fluff, just what you need to know. First up, go to Squarespace. You'll want to make sure you're logged into your Squarespace account before you start, because most support resources are tailored to users who are signed in. If you're not already logged in, just pop over to Squarespace, and enter your credentials. Now, once you're in, look for the small question mark icon. You'll find this right beside the settings section within your dashboard. It's typically at the lower left or side panel of your screen, so don't panic if it's not immediately front and center. The question mark is there to signal need help. Think of it as your lifeline when you're stuck. Clicking on it is your gateway to Squarespace's whole support system. When you click the question mark icon, you'll be sent directly to the Squarespace Help Center website. It's a good idea to let the page load fully since it gathers information about your current site and account. This is the official hub where you'll find guides, FAQs, and lots of troubleshooting tips, not just for emergencies but for everyday questions too. You might want to skim through the articles here, but for personalized help, we're going straight to support. So your next move is to click on the Contact Us button. It's usually prominent, but if you don't see it right away, try scrolling down a little or looking along the side panel. Clicking this first Contact Us button gets you into the main support area, but you're not quite done. You'll need to click another Contact Us button from the options that appear. This second click is important as it brings up the live support features. Now you're right where you want to be. You'll have access to the Squarespace Assistant. This is an automated virtual helper, but don't let that fool you. This assistant can route you to real people when you need them and answer a broad range of questions about Squarespace features, billing, design, or troubleshooting. If you have a specific inquiry, just type it in clearly. Use keywords like template issues or SEO advice to get the most accurate results. And if you ever feel stuck during this process, don't worry. Take a deep breath, back up a step, and try again. Tech help pages can be a bit fiddly, but patience is your friend. That's it. Getting help from Squarespace is much simpler once you know the right clicks in the right order. The Help Center and Squarespace Assistant are there to support you, just like having an expert nearby as you build and update your website. Before you head off to conquer your next Squarespace challenge, please remember to like this video if you found it useful. If anything about these steps was unclear, drop your questions down in the comments. I do read them, and I'll respond with answers or extra tips. And if you want more tutorials like this, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on future how-tos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.